What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today we have our October 2020 FPVCRATE box, and happy Halloween to everyone. If you don't already know what these are FPV subscription boxes. You can get these every month. They are about 55 or 50 bucks around there, plus tax, plus shipping. So they are a little expensive, but you do get every month a surprise, like a boost type of item, like a big item, like an ESC, flight controller, or something like that. And then also some smaller items. So this month we're going to check out, see what we got. If you're interested in purchasing one of these boxes or purchasing something from FPVCRATE, I'll leave a affiliate link down below if you want to help support the channel. But without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this month's box. Okay. So it looks like we got ourselves a $25 off Team Black Sheep Tracer product line. If you know what the Immersion RC Ghost is, it's a 2.4 gigahertz, like supposed to be real fast, good for racing. This is the Team Black Sheep version. So let me go ahead and scratch this off because I actually already picked one up with using my sub 250 boxes one. So let me scratch that off real quick for you guys. So if one of you guys want to use this code, you can. Let me zoom in here. So whoever wants to use that code to get $25 off is the first one to get it. All right, so let's go ahead and get on further with the box. So we got some stickers. Pretty cool. And if you didn't notice, these stickers are barcodes, probably to be used maybe with something in here. Also got ourselves a shirt. Oh, this one's pretty cool. I like it. Split S, power loop. Has all the different little signs there for TBS. Pretty cool. Got a TBS coaster. Looks like we got a Lumineer Axie antenna. SMA. And it looks like for a boost, we got a TBS Unify Evo. Wow. These are like 50 bucks or so. These are actually really cool because they have a custom OSD that you can use with Crossfire, which is really, really handy. And it has a more robust, if you look here, let's open this up and show you. This thing is really, really cool. I actually had one of them and it blew out. I don't know if it was because of it being new or if it was an issue with maybe the capacitor I had wired to my thing, but it did blow. But now I get to at least have another one. It was really cool when I had it though. So yeah, this is, see how the UFL's in the middle, so it's going to be real secure. So yeah, this TBS Unify Evo, this is going to be definitely handy in a build. I'll probably build something here soon. And then also we got a Team Black Sheep pen. So that's pretty much it in the October 2020 FPVCRATE. I'm actually really satisfied with this box. I like it. Let me know what you guys thought in the comment section down below. And if you're interested in picking up one of these boxes, I'll leave an affiliate link down below if you'd like to go ahead and check them out. It does help support the channel and help support me. So see you guys in a future video. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Peace.